After trying this one-pan chicken and potatoes recipe, my family asks me to make it all the time. And honestly, I don't blame them. Here I have 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes. Cut them in half, leaving the skin on for extra texture and flavor. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Set them aside for now. Now let's make the marinade. This is where all the flavor comes together. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything really well until it's fully combined. As you mix, you'll notice the sauce becoming rich and slightly creamy with that fresh citrus aroma coming through. That's exactly what's going to soak into the chicken and make it so flavorful. It's simple, but it makes a huge difference. Set it aside. Now, in a baking dish, add 8 pieces of chicken using a mix of thighs and drumsticks. I like using bone-in chicken because it stays extra juicy and flavorful while it cooks, and the skin gets beautifully golden and slightly crispy in the oven. These cuts are perfect for this recipe because they soak up all that marinade without drying out. Add the potatoes on top, then pour the marinade over everything, making sure every piece is coated in that delicious sauce. Mix everything really well with your hands. Don't be afraid to really get in there. This step makes a difference. You want every piece of chicken and every potato completely coated in the marinade. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 60 minutes. And our chicken is ready, juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. This dish is perfect for a cozy family dinner or even for meal prep during the week. You can serve it just like this or pair it with a fresh salad or some crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. The chicken is perfectly roasted, juicy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. I'm adding some of these delicious potatoes too. And a little extra sauce on top, just to make it even more mouth-watering. You know, the best recipes are usually the simplest ones. Nothing fancy here, just simple ingredients that work perfectly together. That's what makes this dish so special. Anyone can make it, and it turns out amazing every time. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Enjoy!